Yo, what's up, everyone? It's May. Gacha more like dacha. Weird name, but so what? Oh, big head I got. So let's. Today I'm playing. Don't press the button. This button, and oh, big bubble gum. I think I have to jump. I have to jump. There we go. Jump. Jump. I'm really good at this game. This one. Jump. Jump. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick. Sorry. Okay. And there I go. Fell down. I fell down. Sorry, I could do this. And don't touch the lava. Don't touch the lava. There we go. Don't touch the lava. There. Oh, that was close. Don't touch the lava. Don't touch the lava. Oh, that was so close. And bound. My coin. Pick a corner. Pick a corner. I'll take this one. Okay, so. Oh. I'll take this green. Oh, that's good. I was not in that corner. Then I'll end up there. And this boy just came. And skydiving. I hope I don't fall like usually I do. Oh, and I didn't fall. Why this noob always taking my stuff? It's funny that I'm calling him noob, but I'm noob. I mean bacon head. He's bacon head. My bacon head. Meet the cheater. He cheats every time. Oh, he just ran out. Let me take this coin. It's so hard to take this coin. Oh, and the cheater got it. There we go. Bravo, cheater. Bravo. Bravo, cheater. I hope I wasn't that cheater. Oh, I'm so good at this one. This one is so good. I know I'm gonna win. Sorry about my voice. And it says, sorry if you made. It says made with King Master, but yeah, that's because I made it in King Master. So let me try this. And then whoop, and I died. Oh, I can cheat too, like with this chili bottle. Kabound, I'm free. And I died. Bravo. So, yeah. Let's just. Oh, there. I'm gonna cheat. There, I cheated. Oh, cheated. There we go. There we go. And okay, just jump. Let me get them. I didn't have a chance to get my money. Okay. So, oh, and I fell. What a cheat. Oh, what a loser I am. Wow, Dania. Wow. Okay. So let me. Oh. I don't want the lava to catch me. I don't want to be burned by the lava. Mommy shark, do mommy shark. Okay, anyways, why does he have a Germanish flag on his hat? Like, that's just weird. Like, not that weird, but wow. Oh, this is my coin. Oh, hi, noobs. This could be me one day. This could be me. Okay. So, earthquake. Safe at last, safe at last. Hey, yeah, I'm gonna go. And then we go. Okay, there we go. So, okay. I'm big. I am big. Like, look at me. I'm big. What a so big coincidence. I don't even know what it means, so yeah, my coin don't even steal from it. Sorry, but yeah. Okay, anyways, why am I laughing so much? Like fake laughing. So let's begin. Oh, sorry. Trampoline time and kaboom. Oh, I thought there was oh yeah, trampoline. There we go. Okay, so let's begin. Made with King Master. And kaboom. Oh, it's race time. Let me race. I hope that cheater doesn't come and ruin everything. I hope I win. I won. Wait, what? Yeah, that's more like it. I was first. Okay, I was first. So, yeah. Oh no, the smashing red thing is coming to get me. It's coming to get me. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, Simon says, okay. Simon says, red one. There. Oh, there, red. Oh! Why did I do that? Okay. I can just cheat. And kaboom, I just cheated. Simon says blue. There, blue. Oh, I died. Lucky me. I died. I had to drink this. And I have to come out of here. I did this for no reason. Really? Fight time. You coming to get me? Okay, you coming to get me? Boom. Sorry, boy. I ever died. Oh, you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This was just killing us with this sword. Up where you belong when you die. Okay. Anyways. Oh, lots of dogs and cats. Or those are dogs. Okay. So oh, these hobby boots. Everyone has hobby boots. And why? Why? Oh, find the blue. The lights went out. Find the blue. That cheater just find the blue thing. Okay. Too little feet. Okay. I can race this. I can do this. I can do this. I'm pro at this, but maybe not pro now because I'm sick and I'm sore. I'm so yeah. Sorry. Ha ha ha. Too little bit, little bird.